So here's what we got. This is the table. And as you can see, these are me. I already got half of the tenons made. I need to make the mortises, which will drill out and then chisel out. But see, I've got these, and it's all on that. This is like a curved top. There we go. Now you can see it. So we have to actually keep that curve on the tenons as well. So what I have done is I've spaced them where they need to be, and then outlined it from the bottom side, traced it, and then transferred that line to the other side as well. And then I take and cut the shoulders, mark and cut all the shoulders, and then I take a hand router and route them out. And we'll show you that process in a minute. But this table, these are all mortise and tenoned. Those are mortise and tenoned, and this is a half lap with a 45 edge that goes on there. I'll be cleaning those up once I get it glued together, but let me get the phone in its case so I can film so I can film this process of making that tenon. All right, here we go.